Harness training, take one.
Follow your orders.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto. Poppy, 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 pop, poppy.
Let's sing a song, yeah? Надо get out.
I was recording my cat's reaction to my mum brushing her teeth.
Comet, I love you.
No! No!
He's like growling, but he's
What are you doing?
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Space. I get that you
Gary!
Danny.
Hi.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Why do cats make it the biggest deal in the world to like show their toes? Show me your toe.
Alright, ready? My boy?
Oh. I want to pet. What?
And then?
Gary!
Dude.
What?
We got one. You want to go out? Hold on. Want to go out?
May I have your smelly bird?
Honey, tap. No. Oh, that's good. Do it.
Carl.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Oh my god, the cat is on fire. Holy sh...
Vậy bạn ơi.
Nothing there. What's wrong?
Now you're about to bite me.
Is there a wild animal in our house?
Em, you got something on you? You just got something.
The trick is to not let people know how weird you are until it's too late for them to back out.
Thank you.
Gigi. Aw, you got scared.
The freaking counters! Augustus!
Oh, this is Jude peeing in my puzzle.
What? No.
Oh, her nail is in my face. Macaroni turns one. Oh, ow.
Oh shit, kitty.
His meow is so cute.
Your demise.
make it.
Stop messing with me.
No hiding spot. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
What the fuck? Don't flip!
Meow.
Don't bite his tail.
Oh, shit!
But it's not.
Normalize you not touching my charger. You say hi?
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.